Roadside encounter.
Vem aquele. Tá passando. Vai em cima, viado.
Two friends driving down a dark, lonely road had a spine-chilling experience they'll never forget. Suddenly, their headlights caught two strange humanoid figures crossing the road ahead. The creatures walked on all fours, making the friends wonder, were they skinwalkers? Aliens? Before they could get a better look, the figures vanished into the darkness. Too scared to investigate, the friends sped away, deciding never to take that road again. What exactly did they see that night? The answer remained a mystery.
Vai em cima, viado. Vai em cima.
Ghostly Park. A late-night park visit led to a